Hello everyone, my name is Luis and I work in Flow Strategic AI. There we do business automations. So in Fiverr, we offer 3 packages in this gig. The first one is the basic one, which is lead capturing. That is, we take the lead information from the Google Forms and then we link that up to Sheets. And then in make.com, we watch response when a new row is added. And then we inform the business owner or the marketing team. So that is the basic one. And in the standard one, after we watch response, a new row is added, we link that up to AI HTTP module where we tell Gemini, I use Gemini AI, we tell it to qualify the lead based on the questions we asked on the Google Forms. So the AI will qualify the lead and it will score the lead, and then it will input that to a message that it will send to the owner or the business or the marketing team. So in the standard, we added one new model, that is the HTTP, which is the AI lead qualification or scoring. Now in the premium, we add another module, which is the email drip campaign, or some will call it the email nurturing. So based on the AI qualification, we can automate how many emails will send the lead submitter. Now that is the premium package. So in this basic one, it is just the lead capturing plus the email response or the notification to the marketing team or the owner. Now that is the basic. The standard, we added an AI lead qualification or scoring module, and then we can also notify the owner or the marketing team. And in the premium, we added another mod. Now in the premium, you can add new modules and new routers based on the AI lead qualification results. Thereby we can nurture the lead more, or we can give up on the lead if it's a cold lead. So we have a hot lead where we can send a notification to the business owner or the marketing team, a warm lead where we can keep nurturing, and a cold lead where we can also keep nurturing, or we can give up on the cold lead. So that's what we do. And in this gig, I will work with you. I will do as per your request. I'm here. Feel free to contact me. I'm looking forward to working with you.